Today let's dive into some epic YouTube channels that not only dish out great content but also rake in the moolah. 1. Gaming gurus. Ever seen those gamers showing off their skills? They not only dominate the gaming world but also score big bucks from companies wanting to be part of the gaming hype. 2. Tech titans. If you're into gadgets and tech stuff, there are channels breaking down the latest tech wonders. These tech whizzes make money as companies pay them to showcase their awesome gadgets. 3. Wellness wizards. Health and fitness channels aren't just about getting fit. They're making bank with sponsors who want to promote their health products. 4. Foodie fiesta. Love watching chefs create mouth-watering dishes? These channels make money through sponsorships from food companies wanting to get your taste buds excited. 5. Crafty creators. DIY channels aren't just about making cool things. They're also cashing in on companies wanting to be part of the DIY revolution. 6. Globetrotters. Travel channels take us on amazing journeys worldwide. They not only share adventures but also make money as travel-related companies want to verify featured. 7. Style stars. Fashion channels showcase the latest trends. These style influencers make money by teaming up with fashion brands and designers. 8. Financial wizards. Some channels teach money management. They make money from companies wanting to share financial tips and tricks. 9. Home hackers. Channels focusing on home decor are not just stylish. They're also making money through collaborations with furniture and decor brands. 10. Pet parade. Love cute animal videos? Pet channels cash in on sponsorships from pet product companies eager to show off their adorable offerings. So, there you have it. These YouTube niches aren't just entertaining, they're also making some serious cash. Keep exploring the YouTube universe, and who knows, maybe you'll discover the next big thing. Stay awesome!